Did you know that the key to removing arterial plaques might be hidden in some of the foods you already eat? In today's video, we'll reveal the top nutrients that can transform your heart health and clear your arteries. You'll discover which foods have the power to combat plaque formation and keep your cardiovascular system in great shape. Get ready to be surprised, because in the fifth nutrient on our list, we'll uncover a true secret that could be the key to further improving your cardiovascular health. This nutrient not only helps remove plaques, but also offers unexpected benefits that you'll want to know about. First nutrient, omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are powerful allies for cardiovascular health and plaque removal due to their anti-inflammatory properties. They help reduce inflammation in the arterial walls, a crucial factor in plaque formation. Regular consumption of omega-3s can decrease plaque formation and improve arterial health, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, omega-3s lower blood triglyceride levels and increase HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, while preventing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which can contribute to plaque formation. You can find omega-3s mainly in fatty fish and some plant sources. Wild salmon is an excellent choice. Consume it grilled, baked, or in salads. Sardines are another great option and can be eaten canned or grilled. Chia seeds and flax seeds are good plant sources. Add them to smoothies, yogurts, or as salad toppings. Walnuts also contain omega-3s and are great as a snack or in various dishes. To maximize the benefits, include fish like salmon and sardines in your diet at least twice a week. Consume chia seeds and flax seeds daily, and use walnuts as a snack. If consuming these sources is difficult, a high-quality omega-3 supplement can be an alternative, provided it is tested for purity and potency. Incorporating these foods into your diet is an effective way to support cardiovascular health and keep your arteries clean and functional. Second nutrient, vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is crucial for cardiovascular and bone health, playing a vital role in removing arterial plaques and preventing heart disease. Unlike vitamin K1, found in green vegetables, vitamin K2 is found in fermented foods and some animal sources, and is essential for heart and bone health. One of the main benefits of vitamin K2 is its ability to regulate calcium metabolism. It directs calcium to the bones and teeth where it is needed and prevents its accumulation in the arteries and soft tissues, reducing the risk of arterial calcification. This helps keep the arteries clean and flexible, preventing plaque formation and heart disease. Additionally, vitamin K2 activates proteins responsible for bone mineralization, helping to maintain bone density and prevent osteoporosis. In conjunction with vitamin D, it ensures that calcium is adequately absorbed and utilized by the body, essential for bone health. Dietary sources of vitamin K2 include natto, a Japanese fermented soybean dish, which is one of the richest sources of this nutrient. Other foods include fermented cheeses like Gouda and Parmesan, and organ meats such as chicken liver and beef liver. To include vitamin K2 in your diet, add natto to meals, use fermented cheeses in various dishes, and include organ meats. If you don't consume these foods, vitamin K2 supplements can be a practical alternative. Vitamin K2 is an excellent aid for cardiovascular and bone health, preventing arterial calcification and promoting a healthy cardiovascular system. Third nutrient, vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for cardiovascular health and plaque removal from the arteries. With its potent antioxidant properties, it combats oxidative stress and inflammation in the arteries, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. This helps reduce the formation of atherosclerotic plaques and improves blood vessel health. Furthermore, vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, a protein that strengthens arterial walls and promotes vascular elasticity. Maintaining adequate levels of vitamin C can help preserve arterial integrity and prevent cardiovascular diseases. Foods rich in vitamin C include fresh fruits and vegetables. Oranges are a well-known and convenient source of vitamin C and can be consumed as juice, in salads, or as a snack. Kiwis provide even more vitamin C than oranges and are great in smoothies and salads. Red bell peppers are extremely rich in vitamin C and can be eaten raw in salads, roasted, or added to main dishes. Strawberries are also rich in vitamin C, ideal for smoothies, yogurts, or as a quick snack. To ensure adequate vitamin C intake, include a variety of these foods in your daily diet. Consume them raw or lightly cooked to preserve vitamin C content. Oranges, kiwis, bell peppers, and strawberries regularly can help maintain arterial health and support plaque removal. Fourth nutrient, fiber. Fiber is crucial for digestive and cardiovascular health, playing an important role in cleaning the arteries and maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. In addition to promoting bowel regularity, fiber helps reduce blood cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol and bile acids in the intestine and facilitating their elimination. This lowers LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and can prevent plaque formation in the arteries. Fiber also controls blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates and preventing glucose spikes after meals. This is beneficial for preventing and managing type 2 diabetes. Another benefit is promoting satiety, helping control weight by keeping you full longer and reducing calorie intake. Dietary sources rich in fiber include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent examples and can be added to salads, soups, or side dishes. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are ideal for main meals. Fruits like apples, pears, and raspberries, vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and sweet potatoes, and seeds like chia and flax are also high in fiber. To maximize benefits, consume a variety of these foods throughout the day and increase water intake. Dietary fiber promotes cardiovascular health, improves digestion, and aids in weight control. I love fiber-rich foods, and there's something I love even more. I love it when you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now that you're informed about these valuable nutrients, get ready to discover the most surprising nutrient on this list. But first, I want to show you how to take care of your heart quickly, effectively, and completely naturally. In the first comment of this video, you'll find a link to an exclusive video with powerful techniques to lower your cholesterol and transform your life for the better. Don't miss the chance to discover simple and effective methods for impeccable cardiovascular health. Click the link in the description and see how easy it is to live healthily and fully. Fifth nutrient, magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral for various bodily functions and plays a crucial role in cardiovascular health. It helps regulate heart rhythm, promotes blood vessel health, and aids in preventing heart disease. Additionally, magnesium is fundamental for maintaining healthy blood pressure and reducing inflammation, contributing to protection against plaque buildup in the arteries. A surprising fact about magnesium is that it plays a key role in mood, regulation, and brain function. Few people know that magnesium is essential for the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which directly influences mood and feelings of well-being. Studies suggest that magnesium deficiency may be linked to an increased risk of depression and mood disorders. Moreover, magnesium helps improve sleep quality and cognitive function, demonstrating how an essential mineral can significantly impact mental and emotional health. One of magnesium's main functions is to relax muscles and blood vessels, which improves circulation and reduces blood pressure. Studies show that adequate magnesium intake is associated with a lower risk of hypertension and cardiovascular issues. Magnesium-rich foods include dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These can be consumed raw in salads, sautéed, or in smoothies. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds, are also good sources and can be added to salads, yogurts, or eaten as snacks. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are great for meals, and legumes like black beans, lentils, and chickpeas are good additions to soups and stews. Weekly consumption of these foods helps ensure adequate magnesium intake, supporting healthy heart and artery function. Sixth nutrient, coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is essential for energy production in cells and plays a crucial role in cardiovascular health. As a powerful antioxidant, CoQ10 protects cells from damage caused by free radicals and maintains heart function, helping to prevent heart disease. CoQ10 is vital for ATP production, the main source of cellular energy, especially for the heart, which requires a lot of energy to function properly. Besides improving the energy efficiency of heart cells, CoQ10 reduces oxidative stress, a risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. One of CoQ10's main benefits is improving blood vessel function. It can help lower blood pressure, improve vessel elasticity, and promote good blood circulation, reducing the risk of hypertension and other cardiovascular diseases. CoQ10 also reduces inflammation, protecting the arteries and contributing to cardiovascular health. Dietary sources of CoQ10 include meats like red meat and fish, such as sardines and mackerel. Nuts and seeds, like almonds and pistachios, also contain CoQ10, though in smaller amounts. Considering supplementation can be helpful to ensure adequate levels, especially if your diet doesn't provide enough. CoQ10 supplements are effective for achieving therapeutic levels of this coenzyme. Consulting a healthcare professional before starting supplementation is recommended to adjust the dose and ensure it meets your needs. Incorporating CoQ10 into your diet through foods or supplements can offer significant benefits for heart health and cellular function. Seventh nutrient, resveratrol. Resveratrol is a polyphenol primarily found in red grape skins, as well as in almonds, berries, and cocoa. Known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, resveratrol offers various benefits for cardiovascular and overall health. As an antioxidant, resveratrol combats damage caused by free radicals, helping to prevent oxidative stress, premature aging, and chronic diseases like heart disease. In cardiovascular health, it improves endothelial function of blood vessels and promotes vessel dilation, contributing to better blood flow and reduced blood pressure. Additionally, resveratrol has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce chronic inflammation, a risk factor for cardiovascular diseases, and may have neuroprotective effects, protecting the brain and promoting cognitive health. To obtain resveratrol, include red grapes and red wine in your diet, but in moderation due to alcohol content, as well as berries like strawberries and raspberries, almonds, and dark chocolate with high cocoa content. These foods can be consumed fresh, in smoothies, yogurts, or as snacks. Resveratrol supplements are also available, but it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before starting supplementation. Incorporating resveratrol-rich foods into your diet can protect your heart, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy aging. Eighth nutrient, curcumin. Curcumin is the active compound in turmeric, a spice that gives dishes their golden color and is widely used in Indian and Asian cuisine. It offers a range of health benefits, mainly due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin is effective in reducing chronic inflammation, an important factor in the development of cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and cancer. It works by inhibiting inflammatory molecules and enzymes, helping to protect the heart and maintain arterial health. Additionally, curcumin combats free radicals, molecules that cause cellular damage and contribute to premature aging and diseases. Another crucial function of curcumin is improving endothelial function, the inner layer of blood vessels. Proper endothelial function is vital for cardiovascular health, as it contributes to vessel dilation and blood pressure regulation, reducing the risk of hypertension and atherosclerosis. To enjoy the benefits of curcumin, add turmeric powder to dishes like curries, soups, and rice, or use fresh turmeric in recipes. Combining turmeric with black pepper, piperine, can enhance the absorption of curcumin by the body. Curcumin supplements, in capsules or powders, are also an option, preferably with piperine for better absorption. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation, combats oxidative stress, and promotes cardiovascular health, making it a valuable addition to overall health. All the nutrients on this list can be found in the mentioned foods, But unfortunately, we can't always access them daily in the ideal amounts for our consumption. That's why supplements exist, and it's about them that I discuss in the video, now appearing on the screen. Click the video and discover the 5 best supplements to naturally lower your cholesterol. Until then, take care and keep your health high.